Hey there, history buffs. Imagine a British submarine, lost for 81 years, found near a Greek island. Intrigued yet? Let's dive right in. Back in 1942, during the chaos of World War II, the HMS Triumph vanished without a trace. On board were 64 brave souls, and for decades their fate remained a mystery. Fast forward to now, and a team of Greek divers has made an astonishing discovery. They found the HMS Triumph resting quietly on the seabed near the island of Naxos. The question is, what happened to the Triumph? After extensive research, it's believed the submarine struck a mine. Mines were a constant danger in the Mediterranean waters during the war, and sadly many vessels met their end this way. Now, what's incredible about this find is the condition of the submarine. Despite the years underwater, it's remarkably well preserved. The team captured haunting footage of the wreck, revealing a poignant underwater tomb. This discovery not only provides closure to families, but also adds a vital piece to the puzzle of World War II naval history. So what do you think? Did you know about the HMS Triumph? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating history discoveries. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.